You know what? Come here.
Oh no, we're gonna be on cinema today.
No. What up, G? What you got? No, you're not.
She didn't even sign it. You had it the whole time. I know, right?
What's wrong? You see me, see you. You see me, see you. Nice. Yo, hurry up.
How long did we stay? Oh no, you left it.
There you come on, hurry up. What's everybody else? Who was on the top floor? Okay.
You know, that's probably why not. Can I go to the bathroom first, please? I look a mess.
I got you. And you were taking notes though, right? From the stuff, right? No. I asked you to pull out your maps from yesterday, right?
Uh-huh.
And pull out your packets to go along with those. Okay. We'll staple it later. Okay. I know, right? That's a good question. It's going to get like that the more good weather we keep having.
This is a good way to staple.
Oh. What's that? You used this before?
Yeah.
What?
Actually, this isn't really Google Maps. It's the standalone program. No, that's not all we're doing. It's one of the things that we're doing today. Yesterday we started looking at the setting and the characters, right? And while you're here, I want you to also pull out the packet on the elements of fiction, the one that had characterization and imagery and setting and plot and everything. Deja, come on, get your stuff out. Alex, you too. Ignacio, put your stuff out.
You going right?
Huh?
You going with the mic?
Yeah, that one. Remember the guide to fiction that I gave you we worked on last week? I need you to have that out. Okay?
Could you, Juan, do you think you could do like just a little recap just for the students and
Yeah.
for me? Say, okay, we've been talking about X, Y, Z, and now we're going to do it.
Yeah, exactly. So we started working with Bodega Dreams last week, right? Today we're going to do a little recap of where we at because we've read the first 8 chapters of the novel, right? We've been introduced to flat characters, to round characters. We've been introduced to different settings and scenes, different plot points, and different types of imageries. So I want to focus on that today, all right? This is going to serve as kind of like make it like a halftime show, because after this, we start getting new characters, we start getting into rising action and the climax of the story. And I want you to really understand how the story is taking place before we start moving into the end, all right? The way we've been working in this class, we'll probably be done with the book in a week or 2. And remember, you still have the test on the first 9 chapters on Monday, all right? So rounds 1 through 9, you should have all the packets. If you're missing anything, let me know. Anybody not have this right now? I know you had it because I gave it to you. Maps, right? What were the things that were shown in the map? What were some of the things that you noticed from the map? From the settings in the story? Was it easy or was it hard to find where the places were located?
Easy.
Easy? Was it easy for everybody?
No.
Yeah? No?
Yeah.
What was confusing?
finding out exactly where the house is.
Why? What was hard about that?
Cause just finding the places. You have to look through the packets to find where the places are, and that was hard.
Okay. So remembering. Now, one of the things that you can do to avoid that problem is literally just take little notes on the side. All right? When you see a location, and you know we're going to be working on locations, right? Because the setting is important in the story, and the geography is important in the story. So what I want you to do is start underlining or start highlighting different places, and just write on the side, okay, this happened here. So that way, for example, Jamil, right, he was looking, he had to go through the beginning and start looking through the packets and try to find the things all over. If you make those notes, and this is going to help you in physics, in math, in biology, in media, in all your classes, make those notes on the side. So when you're looking through a packet, you already know on the side what you're going to read on that section that you highlighted. So you highlight it because it's important, but you also write down in a word or two something that's going to help you, not necessarily me. Something's going to help you find it. So you could either just put a little symbol or just put abbreviations there. Okay. So let's start out with this location here. Right, Julio de Burgos Middle School. Why is this place important in the story? Why is this place important in the story, class? Michelle?
That's where they went to school.
Huh?
That's where Julio and Sapo went to school.
Julio and Sapo. That's it, just them?
And Blanca.
And Blanca, and who else went there? Who else went there? Lucy. Nancy is Blanca. All right. So that's it. We only have 4 students, and any other characters in there? What's that? Well, Negra went to that school, but Negra's... What's that? Nene went to that school?
No. It's either story.
He went to that school? Yeah? If you say so. I don't remember it, but if you say so. Now, one of the things that we studied before, right, a couple of days ago, were round characters, right, and flat characters. Somebody give me one round character from the Julio de Burgos school. One round character. Deja?
Sapo.
Sapo. Why is Sapo a round character?
Because they give details about him.
Okay.
He's in the story a lot.
He's in the story a lot. Okay. Another round character in that story. Tina?
Chino.
Chino. Okay, tell me a little bit about Chino.
Chino, he's like Sapo's best friend. They do everything together, and he want to be like Sapo because he don't want to back down in fights.
Okay.
And then he likes Blanca, and then basically it.
Okay, so we got 2 round characters from this setting, from the scenes in this school. Can you give me at least one flat character?
Blanca was a flat character at the beginning of the story
Why?
because they only like said that she